Gurubhyo Namaha. Hey everyone, today we will see the mangoes which we bought are artificially or naturally ripened. For this, we have to take a bucket of water and place a mango inside it. If the mango floats, it is artificially ripened, and if the mango sinks, it is naturally ripened. So before we get into the experiment, I'll just give a brief about the artificial ripening. For this artificial ripening, the main chemical used is calcium carbide, and this chemical is packed and placed near the mangoes. And the calcium carbide reacts with the moisture in air and forms acetylene. The acetylene has similar effect to the natural gas called ethylene, which is created naturally by the mangoes for ripening. So now we will get into the experiment. So I am placing a mango inside this. Now let's see. So it sinks down, so it is naturally ripened. I'll place one more. So this also sinks, and these two, let me see, these two also sinks. So all four sinks. So these are naturally ripened. Now we have one more mango to test. See, this floats, and this clearly states that it is artificially ripened. And one more point, if you notice, when you compare these two mangoes, we automatically know that this is more heavier than this, but this sinks down and this floats. So which clearly states that this is artificially ripened. So yeah, try this experiment at your home and buy safe products. Thank you.